Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, and make sure to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. How are you? Leave a comment down below. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you a DIY of how I clean my brushes. And this wasn't a planned video, I just randomly decided to make this video. As you guys could see, I don't have any makeup on and stuff today, but hopefully you guys like my idea and like how I clean my brushes, and you also try it. And if you do try it guys, please let me know. Okay, thank you guys. I have a glass, and in here I have some warm water. You could use hot water as well, but I have warm water. So next I use dish soap, and I'm gonna be using the Dawn dish soap. You could use whatever dish soap you like, but it should be liquid. And I'm gonna be using a little bit of the micellar water. I like to add a little bit of conditioner, just a little bit, so to soften my brushes, like how the conditioner softens your hair. So basically it's doing the same thing for the brushes. So I use a little bit of this. So in my water, okay, let me show you guys. So in my water, I'm just gonna add not much, just a little bit. Just a little bit guys. A little bit of the micellar water. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the conditioner, not a lot guys. That's it guys, just a little bit. So I'm just taking one of my dirty brush, add that in, and I'm just gonna mix it up. You know what, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this soap. So you guys don't really have to add the conditioner if you don't want to, but I like it because it makes my brush super soft. So I just mix it up, and I'm just gonna take these dirty brushes and just add them in there guys. Just really add more because the water is really high. But guys, if you want to see more fast results, I suggest you use hot water, but I don't want to use hot water. I didn't want to get hot water, so I'm just using warm water. So guys, I'm just gonna let it soak. Like look guys, do you see the dirt coming out of the brush? So guys, I'm gonna get another container, and I'm gonna soak some more of my brushes, and I'm just gonna leave this I'm just gonna let it soak for like about 20 minutes or so. It just depends on you. I don't suggest you leave it overnight. Leave it for like a half an hour to an hour or so. So I'm just gonna let it soak. So guys, after the brush is done soaking, I usually use this brush cleaner. This is a mini finger one. You just put your okay, this doesn't really look that good, but so yes, you just stick your finger in it. You just put your, so yes, this is how you use it. It's like this. It's one of the soaking brushes. You just brush it on, but I'm actually not gonna use it because this one's my sister's, which is actually bigger. It's the suction thing to stick on the sink. So this is more faster for me because I have quite a few brushes, so I'm probably gonna use this. Actually guys, I don't really use this as much. I think I've only used this like 2 or 3 times. So I might include this in the giveaway that I'm gonna do when I get 100 subscribers. So if you guys want to win this awesome brush cleaner, then make sure to, when I do my giveaway, you participate in it and you might be the winner. So might give this away. And honestly guys, it's not only this. I'm not just giving away this. I'm gonna give away a lot of stuff, like a bunch of stuff, like mini stuff, and this might be one of it. If it fits in the box, I'm gonna give this away because it doesn't make sense I have this and I don't use it when I could use my sister's one. So
7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
like with the big brushes like this one, so when you wash them they kind of get tangled like your hair, or they kind of lose their shape. So I like to take this small comb and just comb it through like this, just to make sure that there's no knots and everything from when I washed it. And guys, it smells really really nice because of the conditioner and the soap and stuff. So I just like to comb it, and this was the shape of the brush. So just comb it to the shape, because if you have like a really let me just show you, like this ugly huge ass brush. Look, I'm trying to comb it, but it's so knot stuff. When I use it on my face, it gets all knotted. So guys, every time I wash like these big ones, they lose their shape, and when they're wet, you have to make sure you comb them to get rid of all the knots, and make sure to shape them as well, because when it dries, it's gonna look really 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 ugly. So yes guys, let me just do one more. So this one, you guys could see the point is all twisted. I'm just gonna comb through. See guys, and it's all pointy, and I'm fixing the shape, so when it dries it's gonna have this shape and it won't be all tangly. So yes guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and you guys try my DIY way of how to clean your brushes. And if you do try it, then please let me know. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to also subscribe, and so you don't miss any content from me. That's it for this video guys. So bye guys, love you.